Okay, fresh trade-in alert. This just got traded in here about an hour ago. This is a 19 CRVEX model, all-wheel drive, 61,000 miles on it. Local owner, one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents, no issues. It's going to go through our service department. We're going to check it over, 182-point inspection, top to bottom, front to back, side to side. This one I can tell you is going to get 4 brand new tires. We're going to check the fluids, the filters, the brakes, all the stuff, make sure it's up to specification. We back it with a 90-day guarantee, 3 months, 3,000-mile warranty. That's bumper to bumper, covers everything. You get 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations here at Victory Honda of Plymouth with every pre-owned vehicle that you buy. Gray on the outside, gray on the inside. It's got alloy wheels. It's got remote start, moonroof, lots of cool features, fog lights in the front there. All-wheel drive will get you through anything, in the winter of Michigan's, or, if you're going light off-road, whatever it may be. This car is versatile. It'll get you, where you need to be with lots of space. Let me show you the inside. It's real clean on the inside here. This is the way it was traded in. It's going to be professionally detailed. We're going to detail it inside and out. There's the moonroof. 2 sets of keys. There it is right there, 2 sets of keys. Comes with the books, the manuals, Carfax report, all the history. Show you the miles. I just fired it up here. 61,091 miles. There's the infotainment center there in the middle. Again, Victory Honda of Plymouth. Come see us today. Give us a call. 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. 734-453-3600. This one could be yours. Thanks.